Hey guys, welcome to Kiddie today. We have a Hello Kitty playset. And here's the back of the box. See? Yes, we will open. I don't open. You Here's all the Hello Kitties. Here's the back one. It has a back. It also spins. See? And this opens also for a message. See? Open and close.
Oh, this is a kind of Hello Kitty which want to go to the office.
Yes.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
one is a ballet.
Oh, ballerina Hello Kitty.
As she fell down in her stand. She's just falling down all the time in her stand. But that's okay.
Oh, very cute. Light pink dress.
Yes. That Hello Kitty wants to go in the
Office. Yes.
And this is a rocks. This is the Hello Kitty. This is what is this? What do you call this?
Oh, this Hello Kitty wants to go out all the time. Yes, go lucky Hello Kitty. She is wearing a pants and a cute belt and a sleeveless, a blue bow.
And here's another hula ballerina. A hula ballerina.
Oh yeah, a hula ballerina.
Yes.
Oh, this one, baby, is a swimmer. Hello Kitty, swimmer.
They all close.
Yeah. You can put some leather here.
Look at this Hello
Yes.
Kitty. Look.
All the Hello Kitty have a secret pocket under her stand.
She's pink
Yes.
also. See? She's pink.
Next.
This one? Wow, this Hello Kitty wants to sit and let's say hi. Look at it. See, look at it. So pretty.
Wow,
Look at this,
very
mommy.
cute Hello
Look at this,
She's
mommy.
wearing a red dress. Oh, what's that?
A rock star.
Oh, that one is a rock star Hello Kitty. Can you see? Wow, so cute and awesome. Next.
Yes.
Oh, this one is a fairy Hello Kitty.
Let this fly over the sky. Look at this. It also have a secret door. Look at the Hello Kitty and look at the one. See?
Yes, the secret pocket there.
Yes, you can put your shackles there or anything else. Or your keys or your stuff there. Your stuff there. And well, just that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget to subscribe and have a good day. Bye!